Thirsty Thursday again. Today we're gonna make a tropical smoothie so we can feel like we're on vacation, but we're really not. Just kidding. No, but seriously, this is really good, and it's also really good if you turn it into like popsicle form and freeze it. But for now, it's gonna be a smoothie form, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, let's make this yummy smoothie. I always like to do the liquids first when I do anything in the blender, just because it blends it easily. So we've got the orange juice, the coconut milk. I feel like the coconut milk is the secret ingredient to make anything taste tropical. You know what I mean? Like you're on vacation, but then you're really not. You're at home, wishing you were on vacation like me. And then we've got frozen mangoes, and then some frozen pineapples. Let's do it closer so it doesn't splash. And some honey. We're gonna do the ice last. Like the ice is later for if you want it to be thicker and like a slushier. But of course, the honey makes it so delightfully delicious. Liam loves honey in his smoothies, you guys. Like honey is like, Mommy, can I lick the spoon? Can I lick the spoon? So honey is like in every recipe. And now you're just ready to blend. This is like super easy to make. So now we're ready to add the ice. I don't feel like I need all of the ice, just a little bit more to make it that nice consistency that I'm looking for. And then blend, and you are good to go. Okay, you're ready to pour it into any cup. I like using these little mason jars that I bought from Zulily. It came in a 6-pack. All right, you guys, we're ready to go. Taste tester.
All right.
And then you guys, I hope that after he drinks this, I convinced him to take me on vacation. Like, take me on vacation. Isn't it good? It's tropical. That coconut milk made it everything.
We just need a little bit of rum in here and we're good to go.
Oh, yes. Yes. And those cherries, you know, those cute little cherries that people put on top. Oh, and those umbrellas. I should have gone to Dollar Tree and put those cute little umbrellas.
I must say, the secret ingredient, definitely the coconut milk. This makes it taste very tropical.
Creamy.
It makes it creamy and
creamy deliciousness.
Feeling tropical. You know, I was getting some alerts about some flight deals.
Yes, yes.
And now I'm just thinking I go back and look at those emails.
Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go.
You know, it's coming up that time where we might be able to do a solo trip, just you and me, just saying. The Jacob's getting older.
I did tell Justin, I'm like, I'm ready. 2 nights somewhere without the kids, I'm ready.
We can't go to a tropical destination in just 2 nights.
Well, I don't want to. I want to take them with us.
She was just, okay.
But I mean like a little thing, like a little trip, just you and I, you know?
Really good. Very refreshing.
Yeah.
Delicious.
And it's not like that mocha freeze where it's like ice cream and chocolate and this and that. It's just like, just fruits, you know?
Really
and orange juice and coconut milk, and then you're done. And the only sweetness added is honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
delicious.
definitely delightfully delicious. I would say this is kid friendly.
Oh, for sure, yeah. Totally.
The mocha freeze, no. Don't ever let your kid even take a sip of that. That stuff is crazy.
No.
Anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next week. And
let us know in the comments where you want to go on vacation.
Oh, yes, tell me.
Come on, let us know. Give us some ideas.
Tell me, friends. Let us know. Yes, I can't wait to hear where you guys want to go. See you guys later. Bye. I transported to Hawaii.